Well, because it doesn't fit in our trunk. That's what I was thinking that. Motherfucker, what the fuck was that, asshole? What the fuck you doing? I got your ass on fucking camera, dick. And you don't even fucking have a license plate. My tactic to scream? Yeah. Yeah, I scream. And then some people take it serious, others not so much. You know, this guy doesn't know how to drive, but I can see why he's doing it. He don't have a license plate and shit. It's like, fuck him. You're not supposed to go left, you dick. What the fuck are you doing?